Donald Trump's mass deportation 11 to 14 million migrants could be targeted. Former US President Donald Trump has unveiled plans to carry out mass deportation of undocumented migrants if re-elected in 2025. The proposal could impact an essential 11 to 14 million people in the US without legal status. Here are the details breakdown of what we know. If we talk about nationalities, around 50 to 55% of undocumented migrants are from Mexico, forming the largest. Approximately 20% originated from Central American countries such as Guatemala, El Salvador, and Honduras. The remaining population include migrants from Asia, that is India, China, and the Philippines, Africa, and Europe. California accounts for about 20% of undocumented migrants, the highest in the US. Texas hosts 15 to 18% of the undocumented population. Florida and New York each house 10 to 12% of undocumented migrants. Other significant populations are in Illinois, Georgia, and Arizona. Jobs and contribution migrants play a vital role in the agriculture, supporting food production and farming. They make up a substantial portion of the workforce in the construction industry. Many work in the service industry, including hospitality, restaurants, and cleaning services. Undocumented migrants also work as caregivers at homes, filling crucial gaps in healthcare. Undocumented migrants contribute significantly to the US economy, often in industries with high labor demand. So here if we talk about age demographics, approximately 65 to 70% of undocumented migrants are working age adults between 18 and 44 years old. Around 1.5 million undocumented minors are enrolled in US schools. A smaller portion of the population consists of individuals over 65 years of age. Challenges and concern. Deporting millions could disrupt industries that are heavily reliant on migrant labor. Many undocumented migrants have US-born children, leading to potential family separation. The cost of implementing such a plan is estimated to reach hundreds of billions of dollars with significant logistic hurdles. Critics argue that mass deportation could result in human rights violation and destabilization communities. This proposal has sparked intense debate, with supporters advocating for stricter migrants enforcing and critics highlight its humanitarian and economical consequences. Guys, this was Amna Tariq reporting and you were watching Desi TV USA. For more interesting updates, keep watching and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.